Now we are looking manufacturing process. Now we classification of manufacturing process is metal addition, metal removal, metal joining, and metal deformation. Out of that, metal addition process we have seen casting, metal deformation process we have seen forging, and another process is welding, which is a metal joining process. Welding is a process in which two similar metals are permanently joined together through localized fusion due to suitable application of heat and pressure. Of heat and pressure. Due to application of heat and pressure, we are creating a heat source. We are creating a heat source, and that heat source is going to be used for the joining of two similar metals. Welding is the two similar metal joining of two similar metals. Arc welding, if you go through the figure, you will see that this is the schematic diagram of arc welding which we are doing in our workshop. Have you seen in our workshop this electrode you are holding? Workpiece is there, transformer welding machine is there, and with the help of welding machine arc we are creating a arc and joining the two similar metals. Arc welding is the fusion of two pieces of metal by an electric arc between the pieces being joined. The workpieces and an electrode that is guided along the joint between pieces. The electrode is either a rod that carries a current between the tip and the work, or a rod or wire that melts and supplies filler metal in the joint. The basic arc welding circuit is an alternating current or direct current, AC current or DC current power source connected to the work cable, connected by a work cable to the workpiece and by a hot cable to the electrode. Generally, we are using a red color for the electrode and blue color for the workpiece, or black color for the workpiece. When the electrode is positioned close to the workpiece, an arc is created between across the gap between metal and the hot cable electrode. The ionized column of gas the develops to complete the circuit. To complete the circuit, the arc produces a temperature of about 3600 degree temperature centigrade temperature at the tip and melts part of the metal being welded and the part of the electrode. This is called as pool. This produces a pool of molten metal that cools and solidifies behind the electrode as it is moved along the joint. There are two types of electrode: consumable electrode types melt and molten metal droplets detach and mix into the weld pool. Non-consumable electrode do not melt. Instead, filler metal is melted into the joint from a separate rod or wire. The strength of the weld is reduced when metals in high temperatures react with oxygen and nitrogen in the air from oxides and nitrides. Most arc welding processes minimize contact between the molten metal and the air with the help of shield of gases, vapor or slag. Granular flux, for example, adds deoxidizers that create a shield to protect a molten pool, thus improving the weld. Soldering is also a metal joining process, but it is performed at low temperature at about 400 degrees centigrade. The heating is with help of a soldering iron gun. The soldering metal or filler metal, tin and lead is kept joining position heated with gun in presence of flux. Salt ammonia zinc chloride. Flux means salt ammonia zinc chloride. Soldering metal nails and joint is formed. Soldering is used in an electric circuit electrical circuit for joining the wires. The joining of metals using filler material at low melting point than that of the parent metal is to be joined. Soldering process, both heat both atoms by applying the soldering iron to copper to the copper pad and the component lead. Continue heating. Apply a few millimeter of solder. Remove the iron and allow the solder joint to cool naturally. It only takes a second or 2 seconds to make a perfect joint, which should appear shiny. Generally, 99% cases, soldering is going to be used for joining two dissimilar metals, similar or dissimilar metals, but 99% it is going to be used for the dissimilar metals. What is flux? Flux is a chemical compound which is applied and shields the joint surface from air and prevents the oxidation or formation of oxide. Although flux will dissolve and absorb oxides. Applications: soldering is used in electronics and jewelry metalwork. Some refrigeration components are often assembled and repaired by higher temperature silver soldering. It can also be used as a semi-parent patch for leak in a container or cooking vessel. Advantages of soldering: low power is required, low process temperature, microstructure is not affected by heat, easily automated process, dissimilar metals can be joined, high variety of materials may be joined, thin wall parts may be joined. Disadvantage: large sections cannot be joined. Fluxes may contain toxic components. Soldering joints cannot be used in high temperature applications. Low strength of joints. Careful removal of flux residuals is required in order to prevent corrosion. Brazing is also a metal joining process, but in different from welding. Brazing temperature is less than welding. Joint form is of low strength. Base metal is not heated to fusion temperature. Filler metal must be in brazing. Brazing alloy is melted and put it into the joint gap. Brazing alloy is used in copper zinc combination. Any metals can be joined, including dissimilar metals. Certain brazing methods can be performed quickly. Brazing can be applied to join thin walled parts that can be welded. In general, less heat and power is required than fusion welding. Joint strength is generally less than the welded joint. Although strength of the good brazed joint is greater than that of filler metal, it is likely to be less than the base metal. High service temperature may be weaken the brazed joint. The color of the metal is brazed joint may not match the color of the base metal. In this way, that means there are three types of joining processes. One is welding, another one is brazing, and third one is soldering. Welding is a welding is a joining of two similar metals with the help of, and we are looking here for electric arc welding. We are not going for the gas welding and everything. Different types of weldings are there. So, but we are not going in BME. We are concentrating on our electric arc welding processes, where arc is produced between the metal and the electrode. Metal and the electrode. This is the view. This figure is most important one. This arc is produced with the help of transformer or oblique welding machine, which works on AC or DC power supply, and it works at very low voltage, high current. It works on very low voltage and high currents. So, due to that, arc temperature of the arc or base metal is melted. The temperature is increased up to 3000 degrees centigrade, so that there will be a formation of weld pool. As soon as the electrode is there, electrode gets melted, and it fills the gap between the joints, which works as a filler for the joint. When it is a consumable electrode, when it is non-consumable electrode, you are going to use as a filler material for joining the extra filler material for joining the welding with joints, for joining the welding joints. Next is brazing. It is going to be used for the joining the two dissimilar metals, but temperature is less. And soldering, it is also can be used for the two dissimilar metals, but at a very low temperature. And generally soldering is going to be used for joining electrical or electronic components, or joining joints in the joints of electrical electronics joints. But brazing and welding can be used in different areas also. Strength, but welding strength is more than brazing strength. Here in brazing is similar. At lower temperature filler rod is going to be used. आता हे ब्रेझिंग तुम्ही कुठं केलेलं आहे हे तुम्ही बघितलं डोळ्यांनी. जर तुम्ही बघितलेलं असेल ब्रेझिंग करताना, जर तुम्ही तुम्ही गाड्याचं सायलेन्सर वगैरे फाटतं त्याला वेल्डिंग केलेलं बघितलेलं आहे का, जॉईनिंग केलेलं बघितलं आहे का? दॅट इज नथिंग बट ए ब्रेझिंग प्रोसेस. किंवा कॉम्प्रेसरचं ब्रेझिंग वगैरे, कॉम्प्रेसर वगैरे असतात रेफ्रिजरेटर जे असतं, रेफ्रिजरेटरच्या कॉम्प्रेसरला कॉपर ट्यूब ज्यावेळेला जॉईन करायची असते त्यावेळेला आपण ब्रेझिंग प्रोसेस वापरली जाते. So this is going to be a welding process. So in this way we are going to finish the different processes, manufacturing processes. We have seen one method on a metal addition process, casting, metal deformation process, forging, metal joining process, welding, and now from tomorrow we are going to see metal removal process. That means different types of machines. Regarding different types of machines we are going to see from tomorrow. So thank you. And yesterday I have forwarded a link which is a solution for the university questions on power transmission elements. Numericals are also there. If any problem, my number is with you, please contact me. Thank you.